So why did you come back? Hey. Tell me the truth from your heart. Do not give me a political answer. So why did you come back?
When my sister died, I realized that life is fleeting. If you don't really get to spend time with people we love, or because of feeling of discord, or that we're busy with work. But when death hits, we realize the importance of family and how to give the people we love more time. That's why I'm here.
So you're here for Benita and to be like a mother to her?
Yes, but that is if you allow me. Yeah, I know I was not a devoted sister, but I'm willing to be a devoted aunt, mother, or even wife. I just want to be with the people that matters most. And
you know we can't do this.
why?
It's not right.
Larry, your wife is dead. You're not cheating on her. What is wrong with you? You need to move on. You can't be probably cheating on somebody that is dead. You need to move on.
I know. But that will be my decision. When to move on and whom to move on with. I will decide. Where is Benita? I don't see her around.
Oh, she went to be with her best friend and to also sleep with her. So I gave her the permission.
And you think it's not necessary to let me know?
I'm so sorry. She gave me this cute puppy face and I thought she was bored and wanted to be with somebody. So I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll call to check on her.
You like it?
Why don't you join me?
No, I feel thank you. Enjoy yourself.
Want some?
No, thank you.
Sarah, tell me it did not happen. Sarah, tell me I did not do it. Oh God, what did you do to me, Sarah?
Don't even act like the victim here. You forced and hide your way with me. I must have made advances at you, but Larry, I never asked you to rape me. I never asked you to.
Rape? Sarah, me raped you? Sarah, I can't even remember what I did. I can't even remember touching you. How come? How come I can't remember anything?
Larry, I begged you. I pleaded with you. But what did you do? You passed on me like a demon-possessed man. What did I ever do to you? What? What?
Oh, this is not me. This is not me at all. There's no way I'll do something and I'll not remember what I did. This is not me.
Then I did it on myself.
Sarah, I can't remember doing this, but I am sorry. I am sorry. I can't just hurt you with my clear eyes. I can't. Oh, God. Oh.
What are you doing here? And where is that your stupid partner, Alero?
She dey inside. She dey arrange things. You know, say, you never tell when we come. Where Oga dey? I hope say Oga dey okay.
And who are you to ask me that stupid question? Eh? As the madam of the house now. Wait. You think you're that important for Oga to be around to welcome you? As how now? My friend, get inside and get busy.
Forget that thing where you dey talk. Where Oga dey? I hope say Oga dey okay o. Because Oga dey okay when we dey comot this house. I hope say he still dey as okay as in dey that time now. Because I dey call a number since he no dey pick. And you know say I no trust you. I no trust you at all.
So all I've been saying here, you did not hear it. Mba, what Jen Nazo now? Abi? I said you should get inside and get busy. Stop asking me that rubbish. Oga is not your problem. He's not the one you came here to serve. Focus on what you came here to do. Take care of Benita. And since both of you left this house, the dishes has not been done. The clothes, the plate, everything is dirty. So get inside and get busy. Go and do the dishes. Go and do what you were paid for.
Ezioku. Shebi you see say you know the big call. You know the big call. Where Oga dey?
I tried so hard not to get into her pant, even when she kept coming for me. But I ended up doing it and can't remember any part of it.
Wait. So which part are you sad about? Is it that you can't remember the moment you had with her, or that you did it?
I am sad doing something I can't recall. She made me feel so sad. She made me feel so filthy and disgusting. Suggesting I raped her.
Rape? Strong words, I must say. Very, very strong word. Rape. And... Look, Larry. That accusation should not be taken lightly. That is a very terrible thing to say about you. On that fateful day, can you remember what actually happened?
I ate the food she prepared that day, and I cannot be able to control the urge that took over me. And what happened after then was like an empty space in my memory.
I have this strong conviction within me that Sarah plotted all of this. From all indications. But my question is, why is she now playing the victim card? She wanted to lay with you. She lured you. And you fell for it. Why is she now playing the victim card and accusing you of a very terrible act? Rape.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, but no verse. No verse. Again, what I want to tell you. I think what they tell me something, they tell me say, Madam said I be like say she did big trouble.
What kind of trouble?
I don't do my own. Now I dey hear. I say what I just dey hear what she dey talk. Say please give me 3 months. Give me 3 months. I don't know what that person they threaten in life for. If they say me they give her 3 months, they fear me or God, they tell you the truth.
How? How do you know this? How? Oh. You eavesdrop in someone's conversation and you know it's a very bad habit.
Oga, I not eavesdrop. I not drop for them. As I know they work on my ear, you make me I just hear the information.
Oh.
Yes, you know, so for our village, our lineage, would they get this active ear? If you like, talk from 5 junction away, would they hear? I don't know why. They hear everything. Even when it is, one thing, Oga, what they try to tell you, say, maybe you know how to do this thing because delay is dangerous.
I see. Sarah is a big girl. If she has something to tell me, any problem that she wants to sort out, that she needs my help, she should walk up to me and talk to me. Okay? Stop eavesdropping on people's conversation. It's very bad. Bad habit. Do you understand? Stop allowing your ear to do meow. Do you understand?
Yes. But okay, in case na life threatening issue, maybe na you now because they tell am 3 months.
Can you go now? That conversation doesn't concern you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, this issue I want to tell you.
It's like your ear just do meow again. I did not say anything. Or did you hear me say anything? I don't want to hear. After you tell me that your family has a ear problem, children are travel.
I carried you when the storm was coming. I held you too long. Then there was shelter. It got so big, I could hardly reach you.
What is that you're giving me?
This is my Pregnancy test results. I'm pregnant for you.
You're pregnant for who?
You, of course.
It's not possible. You can't possibly be pregnant for me.
Are you infertile for that to be impossible?
That is it. I'm infertile. Before going in for my chemotherapy, during my cancer treatment, I deposited sperm in a bank, which Nina used and was inseminated when she got pregnant with Benita. After the chemo treatment, I was diagnosed infertile, as my sperm producing cells were damaged by the treatment. So there is no way in this world I would have gotten you pregnant. It's not possible.
So Nina kept this a secret from me. You're trying to say that Benita is a product of insemination. That was why she also took her own secret to her grave.
What secret are you talking about?
Do you want to know? But that's going to cost you a lot. I'm in a deep debt. And if I don't bring this money, they are going to use my body parts to cover up for it.
You are lying. You are lying. You're trying to extract money from me.
Really? You know, it's very bad of you to live in pure ignorance, knowing fully well that this secret can destroy all you have labored for when it goes on head. Give me the money and I'll tell you all your dead wife's secrets.
Hey, Jesus. So, all this while when you they perambulate this whole house, they hang shoulder like a hanger. They form owner of house. So you be a cookie. Common ordinary a cookie. So you be street girl, we just they look for waiting in go collect, waiting in go grab, no be so? Hey! So you for just so carry pikin when no be oga own, hang am for your head. Ha! Thank God though. Thank God who say oga no fit lay egg. If not, na so you for just carry belle now. Hang on top oga head. Then because of pregnancy, oga go come good man because yes, oga na good man. Go come land for bad woman like you. Now so you go just take Kolobi good man to yourself. As bad as you did.
What rubbish are you talking about? What are you saying? What ex are you talking about? You mean Oga's infertility?
Oh, so you know before. Why you can't dance around them like say you don't know what they talk? You want take style, talk side, be illiterate, no be so. You know something past me?
Is it not obvious?
See this one. See this one.
See, I don't have time for your bullshit. I have real life pressing issues. And if you feel you want to feel something, then tell your boss to pay off for the secret. Yes, this secret has something to do with Benita. And I know you love her so much. So you better do the needful.
Chero. How Benita name take enter this issue now? Wetin come concern Benita inside this matter now?
You see, the person with the secret is dead. But I'm leaving to tell the secret. Tell your boss to do the needful. I don't have time for this rubbish. Please excuse me.
Hi. Opiami aibu uterumo. Hey.
So Sarah is asking you to pay her so she can reveal a secret her sister, your late wife, took to the grave. What does she want? Are you willing and are you ready to hear this secret?
The truth is that I want to know, but I don't trust Sarah. I do not trust her. She's so desperate that she wants me to take the responsibility of her pregnancy. A pregnancy that is not mine or could even be fake. She's cooking up all these things just to extort money from me. For all I know, she can spill lies.
Yes, I agree with you. But we wouldn't know until we find out. I mean, how desperate can she be to the extent of lying against her dead sister? Is she that terrible?
Yes, she's so desperate, knowing fully well that the dead cannot defend themselves based on what is being said about them because they are dead. She's so desperate that she wants to betray her sister, her dead sister, because of money. I can't trust her. I can't.
Larry, we cannot tell if she's telling the truth or she's just a very crazy, unrepentant liar until you go to the depth of this matter and find out. We cannot assume. This matter needs practicals. Yes. For me, I will advise you follow this matter to the end. What will it take? Few millions. That's all. Pay her the money. Then we are going to resolve this whole thing once and for all. It is either she's telling the truth, which is going to save you or help you, or we'll now find out how terrible of a person she is, which is even going to help you and Binta, save you the stress of she coming around claiming to be family and then stressing you out. It's 50-50. You can't lose in this situation. So the money is for two purposes. You finding out the truth, or you realizing that she's worse than what you think of her. So you are paying for something. You can't lose. 50-50. If you ask me, I strongly advise that we go with her flow.
Pick it. That's the money. That's what you demanded for. Now you've gotten what you requested for. Live up to your promise. What's the secret? Talk to me.
You know, Benita is your daughter. Even me looking at her, anyone can tell.
Are you stupid? Where do you think you're going to? How come you're telling me what I know? You're telling me that Benita is my daughter. Of course, I never doubted that. Start talking now before I call the police.
Larry, we're still family. I'm sorry that my sister didn't tell you her secret. I'm sorry she didn't tell you that she couldn't take in or even give birth.
Why are you lying against your sister because she's dead? Because she's not here to justify what you're saying.
Even I myself wanted my sister to go to the grave with her secrets, without raising dust. But you deserve to know the truth. I'm sorry I'm taking money for that. See, years ago, my sister had ovarian cancer. And she had that womb removed. She could recover. I'm even surprised she kept that a secret from you. Her head didn't form Benita. Benita is someone else's daughter. Yes.
Why are you lying against your sister? Because I watched my wife carry Benita for 9 months in her womb. So why are you lying against your dead sister? How cruel you can be. Now, take this money and get out of this place. I do not ever want to see your face around this place again. Now get out. Sarah, get out!
You know what? You have to decide if you want to know the truth. You can ask the family doctor. And for the money, thanks. I'll leave.
You see, I said I just carry gun now. Shoot yourself for leg. What I tell you the truth now? You say, as this girl don't fall out of this house now, the competition now between me and you. No more friendship, we will not be friends again. Nah, we dey fight for God.
You and who? You and who they fight for God? See, as I look this Sarah woman, the way where she take enter this house, pretend like say she like her sister Pekin. Make she just get close to Oga and collect money. I no want be that kind of person. No. It cannot be me. I no want be that kind of person. See, make I tell you, Oga don't see shege. Off go get Ogodi. So, he need better woman. Good woman will get better brain and better heart. So, I don't think. Come they ask myself, say, this thing where me and you they do. Come they fight for Oga heart. You know, really show say, wetin I feel they real. Yes, because if to say they real, me and you not supposed to fight.
No, I don't understand, Dorcas. Wait, you mean say they give up for this competition with me and you did to win Oga heart?
I say I no do again. You know the tire. I no do again. So you see this scheming, all this mago, all this aruche, amano. Make we take mago, enter Oga, enter a heart, make I be in wife or beneath her mama. I no want do again. Anyhow we faith break, anything we faith break, anyhow we God want do, me and they okay.
Wait, what did they try to tell me now? You say they throw away the opportunity to become madam of this house tomorrow. So wait, if your destiny now, they don't write and say, you see Dorcas, nani go they do accept forever and ever, you go accept her like that.
As long as say na so God write am, I dey ready. You know the tire. You know they even sleep. See bag full your eye because every night today they calculate how you want to take a meander inside Oga heart. I beg shift.
God Almighty, I know say you love me. You see this thing where Dorcas talk, I know say no be by her power. Now you initiate and make give up for me. So now so I take on win the battle.
You never see where person, now only him, they do competition against themselves and they still lose. Like during the election, now only you, they, one ballot boss, person no vote you. You never see him. Okay.
Mr. Larry, this one you summoned me to your place. Hope there's no problem.
You tell me, Dr. Mike. Tell me what I need to know about Benita's birth. Is Nina her birth mother? Did she carry the pregnancy?
Nina was my patient, and I am ethically bound by this profession to uphold confidentiality.
To hell with that. To hell with ethics. Is my life a joke? Should we escalate this issue to the higher authority of your profession? So you see, you don't need to keep a husband in the dark concerning his child. Ethical constraint, doctor. Patient's confidentiality dies, ends the moment the patient dies. Doctor, start talking. Tell me what happened to my sperm that was kept in the sperm bank. Start talking.
It was used for what it was intended for.
Intended for?
Must you ask that?
Was it used for the person it was intended for? Was it used for Nina? Doctor, start talking because I will do all I can to run you out of your medical practice.
Calm down. Nina is dead. She was my patient. And also, I'm your family doctor. You deserve to know the truth. But, ethically, she told me to uphold this secret. She lost her womb a long time ago to an ovarian cancer. But you need to know the truth, Larry. You need to know who is carrying the child. You need to know. I'll tell you the truth.
Larry, how is this even possible? I mean, we both saw Nina's baby born. How is it possible?
My guy, you remember I traveled for 2 years just to set up my stuff in New York and train the new ones. You remembered?
Yes. I can recall vividly that you were out of the country for 2 years. But I can also remember that there was a time that Nina was threatening you to return back to the country and attend your child's first birthday.
Yeah, I missed touching my baby's cake in the belly. I missed being there when she was born. I missed her naming ceremony and child dedication. I know Nina wouldn't take it from me if I wasn't there for her first birthday. But I saw all this in a video call. I saw it. Because I was away for a long time. I wasn't there to witness the pregnancy. How then will she convince me, doctor, that she carried the pregnancy? How? I saw this bump growing each day. What happened? How?
She wore an artificial baby bumps, or fake bellies, as they call it, in all the stages of the pregnancy. These fake bellies are made from silicone materials, of which, when you wear it, they look realistic, especially when you feel it.
Doctor, I can see that you have done your best to conceal the truth from my friend. But I also want to let you know that my friend here deserves to know the truth. Nothing but the truth. I mean, how do you manage your conscience as a human being? You keep away the true mother of a man's child away from him. How? So, doctor, we are here to find out the truth, and he deserves to know the truth. So I would advise that you stop beating around the bush and go straight to the point. Just tell us the truth. Who is the mother of the child that belongs to my friend? I mean, who carried the pregnancy that led to the birth of my friend's child?
She was paid as a surrogate and her ex too. And we made her sign the NDA, non-disclosure agreement, and ensures that she doesn't know the couple she was helping.
Impossible. It can't be her. This must be a joke.
What's the problem, Larry? Do you know her? Sammy, you know her?
Dr. Mike, what did they do for here? Sammy, you two follow come. I hope say everything they okay. Oga?
Dorcas,
Sir?
please sit.
Eh?
Sit down, please. Dorcas, I want you to get a grip of you on everything you're going to hear now.
Dorcas, I want to break it down for you now. Shebi, you remember that family where you born picking for? Can you remember? Now Mr. Larry family. Now Mr. Larry sperm, now we use they give you belly.
Which means? Ah, Cheru, make I understand. Benita na my pikin.
Yes. Now you're picking.
Hey! Cheru. Nami be her mama. Nami be her mama, Nami born am.
And please remember the contract. The agreement says that.
Don't even go there, don't tell me anything about agreement. That agreement where you want to talk about now, Shebi, they keep am since. Why you can't tell me now? Why you can't tell me? You know, say what in person no go fit kill am. Hey! No wonder. No wonder. Anytime where I dey near that pikin, my heart go just dey do ukiti. Now I know. Na me born am.
Dorcas, please, later we'll talk about the future of Benita. Okay? I don't want you to say anything that will make her feel bad or make her feel hurt. I do not want to hurt that girl, please. Just take it easy. We'll talk about this later, okay? Get a grip of yourself, please. Dorcas, I know it must have been a shock to you. But I'm sorry for dumping the truth on you like that.
Oga, you no go understand the kind guilty conscience why they get since the day where I born this girl. You see that cry? That cry where she cried the day where I push her mouth. I know they forget them. I dey hear that cry every day. That cry they judge me. Which kind mama go carry him pikin finish? Bond with am for inside womb finish. Born am finish. Come carry am. Give am away. Because of money. But you no go blame me because that time, apart from say, plenty things hold me for my life that time. I understand the contract where I signed. I no say, God go still pity me. I no say, God go still mercy for me. I go come dey close to my own pikin. They take care of am as nanny. They love am like my own. Not knowing say true. Na me born am. I never still understand this one.
Dorcas, you see, life is a mystery. I don't even know how to tell Benita that the mother she has known all her life is not her real mother. I mean, how does someone tell an 8-year-old girl something like that?
You no get as you want take talk am. Anyhow you like talk am, you go just confuse am. You go just dey like where you dey teach kindergarten nursery 1 person science experiment. You no go understand them. But if you ask me, we no need to hurry. We no need to tell them now. Not in way you take that information they do now. Make we just wait for her, make he grow. At least when he reach that kind secondary school or university safe, when her mind go down day and she go understand talk of say person they carry person pikin, another person they put to sperm inside, go belle go show. That time she go down day old enough and her brain go fit carry am. Abi you want rush tell am now, come put confusion for your 8-year-old girl brain.
Dorcas, I need you always put Benita's interests first before your own. And I want you to always be close to her. Yes, please, keep being close to her. And me too.
Okay, where I want go? Where I want go? When I don't make Benita the center of my life before I even find out saying I'm born am. I no fit come out we pin here, Oga. No leave, no transfer.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Kai.
Hey, Jesus. So now you born this girl, you self no.
The thing still dey me like dream. As I dey here, I don't know whether make I begin cry or make I dey sad or make I happy. Now the main problem be say, as one weight don't come out from my body, another one don't replace am.
Oh. Well, she self go understand. But how you want to explain for her and say you go get belle for another person, come born pikin because of money? Well, she go try understand because you self, you go tell her say problem too much for this world. Make she know.
You know say I blame poverty. Na poverty I blame. Because person know they take in clear eye do something like that. But anyway, I no want to think of the future now. Make the future think of itself. When that time reach, I go confess to am now, like say na where I be.
I bet make she know say problem too much for world. Wetin me know be say love no dey hold grudge. He go forgive you, na person he be. He go forgive you. Hi. I no fit think man no go get BP, God forbid. Hey! You know see this life, it dey more spiritual than we think. No wonder you carry a matter for head like a gege bread. True, blood is thicker than water.
My sister, now I believe her. You see blood, it dey thicker than water.
Auntie Dorcas, there is a cooking competition coming on in our school. I wanted to attend as my mother. Other children will be bigger than mommy.
Dorcas, there is no need for this okay? You're so close to this child. You're the only one very close to her. And I'll be happy if you can grant her request.
Now beside don't grant them now. Now you are just the look make you give me go ahead order. But as you approve, I go.
Go ahead.
I go. Me? I don't come for that your school finish you. I go tell you the kind things where you go cook. Now you go win the competition. You dey hear me so? No, I go. Hey! Not
Okay, let me leave both of you.
You don't listen what you want cook. I go teach you. wey be say if you hook am, know how well you no go win. You for talk am since. When the competition be?
Next week.
Oh, next week, Icha. Come. Let me start now. Practice make perfect.
Cheers. Okay, I've never done this before. I'm not used to talking to ladies like this, but I just have to do this. I would like to know you more.
Okay. You no go bad though. Ngwa, tell me, what do you want to know?
Everything. You know, I would just love to know the mother of my daughter. You know, everything about you.
Okay, so you just want to know me because of Benita, no be so?
No.
No, just because of Benita.
No, not really. See, I've been so curious about you. You know, no one has ever made me feel this way. You know, the way you made me to eat the other day. You were so bothered, you were so caring. And the way you care about Benita, looking after her and everything, you know. I would really like to know more about you. Everything about you, you know. And I would love to go on a date with you.
Ha! You don't finish work with that now. If they carry me come out or no carry me go those expensive places where their fork they long past their future.
Oh, really?
Carry me go where they cook better food. Now that one be my own. Where they wash hand, they cook better food. So as you don't buy wig, buy clothes for me, you go match am with better food.
Oh, really?
Yes, nah.
So, is that a yes?
13 Thomas. As I dey here now and they plan the date, your mind not tell you say I don't agree. True, you know, sabi talk to a woman, and now I believe you.
Okay, can you do something for me? Can you look into my eyes?
That you don't come again.
Just for 5 minutes.
You don't come with this one now.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, make I drink my drink finish.
A minute.
Don't worry, just wait.
You
Just
see,
keep your eyes like this.
You're the
make
one
I
shine now, not me.
Make I drink a biko.
Hello.
I don't understand. Why you dey go now? Shebi you know say no be more say you go. Stay now. I don't tell you. I no go treat you like say I be boss. I no go treat you like employee. I no go. In fact, I don't understand. I no even be madam self. I be the pikin mama. So, stay. Where you dey go?
You can't talk, you no be madam. You no be madam, but you dey on the road to become madam. This humble way you dey humble, you no fit you. Brag for one day, brag. You don't reach you. You can't talk come down and say you no be madam. You born for oga and you don dey date oga. You can't do this thing. They brag, now you win. I lose, you win. Now as it be, I don't accept my defeat. Even heaven don't even coronate you now. You don't kukuma born picking for oga. So everything does settle. Allow me, man, do go abeg.
So you don't make up your mind with that? No, make I even ask you. Wetin dey wrong if you stay? Now, wetin dey wrong? Abi, you just dey comfortable because na me be the pikin mama. Listen, I know say we two dey fight before, but we don't become friends now. So wetin dey if you stay here with me? Wetin dey there now?
Affliction no go rise the second time o. Dorcas, you remember wetin happen when madam still dey alive? You know wetin I do oga? I still get feeling for oga o. I no go try am. Ma stay here. You wan make I cheat on you with oga? One man cheat on oga with you? No. One man cheat on you? Ma cheat. I no wan cheat. Anything cheating, I no wan cheat. I no wan come dey seduce oga for your presence. Abeg, I make I wan stay. Na that friendship make me dey comot for this your house now. I no wan cheat on you with oga. Make I just suffer go outside. Maybe I fit find love. But when I wan come take find person wey go be like oga, abi I go find who big man wey be say him wife wan die, go there. If him wife die, I take over. Man, don dey go life tire me. I don tire myself.
You fit hug me before you dey comot. As you don say, you go. I don't understand. I don't just understand you.
Like you won't make me cry. I know they like cry. I know they like me anything make me cry. You won't make me cry now. Because you know say I like it. It's in there. Make me cry.
Okay. But now me they tell you say make you no go, make you stay. Now you carry your coconut head, one come off for a year.
Leave me, man, they go. Docas, leave me, man, they go. Leave me. Docas, leave me,
no
leave
go
me.
Now.
Daddy, don't you look like a family now?
Yeah, we do. Are you happy now?
Yes, I love Francie Douglas.
Oh, I love you, my baby. I love you.
Dad, can I call her mommy?
It's her choice.
Hi. See, nothing go sweet me pass if you call me mommy. I dey promise you, I could love you. Anything wey mama they do for pikin, I could do for you. Oh? And I go make sure say you no lack motherly love at all.
I love you, mommy.
Oh, I love you. Mama, I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Now, table manners. Don't talk while eating. Good.
I still no believe this thing. I no believe say my life go change like this. I no believe say God go give me better man like you. Hi! But that one no even be the main thing. So as I dey now, Doctor say I go enter my first plane. And this my first plane now, no be even say I dey go Lagos. I dey go abroad. Dubai. Hey, Dubai.
Yeah.
You don't tell where I dey hear of him. Chai! I don't believe him.
You love it.
Hey, the thing dey sweet me. God, I thank you. I thank you.
You deserve every good thing, my love. You deserve every good thing.
Chai, thank you. So like this now, I don't become person wife. Jesus. But you get one small thing, anything, where I know just too like am for inside it. The money too much. The money where you spend too much. And I know say na make you no even tell me, fiam, you don't run, go buy tickets.
Am I complaining? I'm not complaining, my wife. I'm not complaining, okay?
It's too much now.
You deserve every good thing.
Okay, so like this now, for 1 month, we go just day for inside room, go chop, wake up, they burn money.
Sure.
Hi, it's too much. 1 month, okay.
Nothing is too much to spend on you.
I know.
A good day.
I know. Oh yeah, wait. What if we cut this journey into 2? Make we save money now. Just make am 9 days. 9 days, they're okay for us to journey. If we journey finish for 9 days, then we come back here and, you know, start enjoying our life inside our house.
Okay, first of all, I'm not complaining. Secondly, it's okay. Let's make it 2 weeks.
Okay.
Are you okay with it?
2 weeks, no bad.
So you enjoy well. When you come back, you'll be smelling Dubai.
Hell, this one sweet to me. This one sweet to me. You dey hear wetin your papa dey talk, oh. So we go to Dubai.
Yes.
Yeah. See as you talk am, you don't tell where you dey go. But now you and your new mama go follow go. You happy? My baby, don't worry, we go enjoy ourselves. Yeah. Che. Thank you very much.
Your mind, okay?
Thank you very much. This one is sweet to me.
So, you guys